I want to look at these problems and kind of go over which method would I use for them. Now, honestly, you can always do either. It's just one is usually a lot easier than the other. So for instance, if I look at problems 1 and 2, these are easy choices for the first method, which is simply turn it into division because it's one fraction over one fraction. 5 and 6 would also be. Whereas if I look at 3 and 4, because I have fractions within the fractions, so I have this 2/5 and this 3/5, I would probably go through and method to them, and I would first clear those fractions. Same down here in 7 and 8. I'm going to get rid of that x, that 9x, the 3x, and the x here, because I want to get it all in one term. Something like 9, you can see the top is already in 1, but the bottom isn't. So what I'd probably do, well, first of all, you could just times by xy, and that should clear this top, and it will clear this. Or you can always use addition, and you can turn this into one term. 11 and 12 are method 1. They can just be flipped, whereas I would want to clear denominators in 13, 14, 15, and 16. So just kind of, some thoughts on how you would approach that. But mainly what I'm looking at is, can I just flip them? So then that's a method 1. I can just turn this into division and be done. So looking at this page, 1, 2, 5, 6, 11, and 12 are straightforward that way. Everything else, you're going to want to do some prep work before you flip. And exactly how you do that is up to you, but the method 2 I have works pretty good. Get that LCD, clear it out, then go forward. Sometimes there's ways you can kind of go around, and make it work. As I said, for instance, in 9, I might choose to get an LCD for just the bottom, make it one term, and turn it into division. Although looking at that, given that I can see that the LCD for 9 is XY, which would clear the top, I'm probably going to stick with that. So a lot of times I'm also looking at what the choices are and what I think the easiest method would be, just like we do anything else.